In the artificial intelligence day 1, we will learn what is in the industries. In the module 1, we will learn what is the growth going on day to day basis. We will see previously the industry was 1, then 2, then 3, the 4 and 5th and 6th. As with the computer era, we introduced previously we are using all manually all the datas why, but with the introductions of the computer we are moved to the computer era. When we are moved to the computer era in 2020, now we are at the age of the in the 2000, we are at the age of the in 2020 we are using the computer, but with the introductions of the AI in the 2024-23, with the introductions of the AI and the when the BJP government arrived on with the too much giving inter technological era, we are learning and the technology is far moving in a digital way. Now with the introductions of the technology development, now we must be technology savvy for our things. As the system is moved from mainframe to PCs, client servers to internet, cloud mobile to big data, intelligence technologies and computer value applications and all. Technology, there are the main 9 pillars. When we are studying about the technology, there is the simulations in augmented reality, then horizontal and vertical integrations, industrial internet of the things, then cyber securities, cloud, additive, supply chain, big data analytics and robot and so on. In the artificial intelligence, we mean what is the AI? AI is a machine-based system that explicit and implicit objective refer from the input is received and how to generate output in such a predictions, content and recommendations and decisions that can influence the physical and virtual environment. In different AIs vary in their levels, autonomy, adaptiveness of the deployment. Artificial intelligence is an advanced computing technology that enables computers, machine and devices to stimulate human learning, comprehension, problem solving and decision making and creativity and autonomy. It is not a single technology but rather a collections of different technologies like machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing and deep learning, which can be combined enable computer to perform complex tasks of mimic human intelligence. Essentially, it's a broad umbrella term encompassing various technology and algorithm. Thank you for watching.